So now I'm going to show you a very powerful AI pattern called the critic pattern. Okay, it work like a feedback loop where one agent create content and another agent improve it step by step. Okay, so basically one AI agent write the content, another AI agent criticize, okay, and they repeat until the result is good. Okay, so you can see here this diagram, we have writer then critic and again we have writer and then critic and done. Okay, so here the writer create the first draft. Okay, so writer is going to create the first draft. Okay, then the creator, then critic review it and give feedback to the writer. Okay, so writer improve based on the feedback. So here this is going to write the first draft and giving this draft to the critic, and critic giving the review to the writer again, and the writer improve based on the feedback. Okay, and again it is going to the critic again. Now if it is like fine, if there is no issue find out, then in the end it is giving us done. Okay, so this loop continue until the critic is satisfied and approve the result. Okay, so writer create first draft and then pass here inside the critic check if there is an issue, then again giving feedback to the writer, and writer again pass to the critic. If it is approved, then in the end it is going to done. Okay, so this loop continue until the critic is satisfied and approve the result. Okay guys, so I'm going to write code for this. Okay, so before I use round robin. Okay, round robin means क्या होता है? Round robin insert the looping, and maximum round prevent infinite suffering. Okay, and termination I already use. Termination means stops when done. Okay, so this pattern is useful when you want high quality output, because feedback loop is giving here what approval. After solving every problem, it is giving us the output here. Okay, so we are going to use feedback loop here. That's it. So here we are going to create these steps. Okay, with the help of critic means somebody is going to be draft and then check if there is any problem or not. If there is any problem, then it is going to the again to the writer, or like say that hey, you need to fix this, there is a bug. Okay, then again critic is going to check if there is no problem, then it will approve. Okay, so here I'm going to write code for this and this file critic pattern. So first I need to import these things. Okay, I already upload, I already explained these things many times. Okay, and this is our config setting, LLM config equals to config list, and here these are the uh, these are the key and values in the dictionary. Okay, so model equals to llama 3. This is our model name, and this is our API key. I'm going to use Groq API key, and API key type is Groq, and temperature equals to 0.6. Okay, so after this I'm going to write one admin. Okay, I'm going to paste code here. This is the admin user proxy agent. Okay, its name is admin, human input mode never, and code execution config false, and its termination equals to writing complete. Okay, I have another agent. I'm going to create group chat. So this is our group chat in between writer and critic, and here we store the message maximum round 6 and speaker equals to round robin. Okay, so after this we are going to create manager. So this is our manager, and we have initiate chat. So guys, first I have LLM setting, then I have admin. Admin means I have user proxy agent. This one is like act as a user. And here we are going to create group chat, and we have manager. Okay. Okay, and this is for writer. Writer is going to write the code, and its name is writer, and this is the message. Writer sort two paragraph answer. If critic gives feedback, then improve it. If critics say easy approve, then say writing complete. Okay, and I'm going to pass here LLM setting. That's why it is going to use the LLM. And again we have critic. Okay, so you can see here we have two, writer and critic. Critic is going to find out, this name is critic, and it is going to find out the problem. Give only one improvement. If improvement needed, then continue. If everything is good, easy approved. Okay, LLM config equals to config, and here we are going to run. We are going to create chat between admin and manager and ask the question, write about the why Python is good for beginner. Okay guys, this is the simple things. First, this is the user, and this is the group chat. Here writer and critic is going to talk, and this is the final manager. Okay, and this is code for writer, and this is for code for critic, and they are going to initiate chat here. I'm going to save this with the help of Control S, and now I'm going to open terminal. I'm going to run file module 6 array module 6 and file name 05 underscore critic underscore pattern. I miss something. So guys, I did mistake here because I need to write first what? Writer and critic. I need to mention first writer and critic. So I need to copy both of them, writer and critic. Writer and critic. I need to cut from here, and I need to paste here. So first thing is I need to apply LLM config setting here, and here first I need to write code for writer assistant. Okay, so this is our writer assistant. Write a sort to program answer. If critic give the feedback, improve it, otherwise say writing complete. Okay, and after this we have second critic, and then we have admin, and then we have group chat, and then we have group chat manager, and then we have final chatting between admin and manager. I'm going to save this. I'm going to run. Okay, so you can see here admin is going to talk with manager, write about why Python is good for beginner. Okay, so it is saying Python is excellent programming language, blah blah. I'm not going to write again. I'm not going to read whole thing again. Okay, so next speaker is critic. Critic is say to the manager, essay approve. So here you can see terminate. I mean, it will writing complete in the end, and it is giving us termination here. Okay, it is said that termination is done in the end. Okay, so here it is going to terminate. Okay, if it is find out any issue, then it is going back to the writer here, and again it will go here in critic, then critic approve, it is good, then done, otherwise again it is sent to the, it is going to send to the writer. Okay guys, so this is a small thing. I have finished this, and tomorrow we will continue with reg. Okay. So module 6 is finished now.